Alright guys, so quick easy video on how to remove the claws off a stone crab. So real quick, right here we have a white slit on the stone crab claw. That's our landmark. We're going to go ahead and stick the oyster knife or the scallop knife into the meaty part of the claw in this section, and that's going to make the crab release its claw. So it's basically going to drop the claw. It's a defense mechanism that these crabs have, and it does no harm to the crab. Sometimes if we try to go the old school method where we try to force the crab claw by pushing back on it and cracking it off, we actually do more harm than good, and the crab actually ends up dying. So this is a safe way and an easier way to remove the claws off a stone crab.